So just take a look here and get an idea of what's happening in just the first year of life and over the next couple of years, the second year of life as well. What is happening? We're creating 1,000 to 100,000 synapses per neuron. The brain grows 2.5 to 3 times its size of birth since birth. Its total volume increases 101% in the first year and about 15% in the second year. The cerebellum, that base of the brainstem that we're going to talk a little bit more about, grows 240%. And it's so important because the cerebellum is your mainframe computer. It is where all the information gets processed through and is distributed through the rest of the brain. And also the information from the brain comes through that area and is distributed to the rest of the body. By age 2, 80 to 90% of the adult volume, especially the gray matter that you're going to have for the rest of your life, is there. So think about that. All the cells that you're going to need for the rest of your life, 80 to 90% of them are formed in those first 2 years. By age 6, you've integrated. If you remember those motor and sensory charts we showed you a few minutes ago, if you remember, by age 6, 90% of your motor and sensory system is integrated. So the system, the nervous system that you have and how you deal with the world by age 6 is often the way you deal with the world for the rest of your life. Finally, full myelination, or what are called the intercommunication neurons, where the brain basically talks to each other back and forth in a much more clear pattern, occurs by age 10. But if the baseline has been damaged, especially the first 2 years or even up to the first 6 years, what you're going to have is a brain that's going to have compensatory patterns and not going to be able to coordinate or integrate information as easily as possible.